I'm in Southern California. I was down in LA and had the opportunity to meet some people in the entertainment and technology industries, and the big takeaways for me was the general amazement by people in both industries of the advancements in AI, and then maybe not so surprising, the different views around the best uses of that technology, and certainly a lot of concern about the implications of it. So no major surprise in that. I think when there's a new technology, I think there's a lot of concern. So it'll be interesting to see how AI plays out, not only in the markets, but in the economy, etc. It's June, and in June we have what's called the Russell rebalance, or the reconstruction of the Russell indices. So something like the Russell 2000 value benchmark, which was our benchmark for the value fund, is reconstituted. So some securities in it go in, some securities come out, if you will, and it's rebalanced, and it has a different makeup. So sector weightings change, industry weightings change. And in the last video I talked about how quickly opinions in the marketplace can change, and this might be maybe the opposite of that. Certainly, things take time sometimes to change. I've been at Heartland for 20 years, or just over 20 years, and early on in my career here, we didn't pay a lot of attention to the rebalance. I mean, we paid attention to it, but it wasn't top of mind, if you will. Well, things are different in the market, and I realize that's a dangerous thing to say in finance, but the reality is passive's market share in the broader investment management industry is up significantly in that time frame. Generally speaking, I would say passive's weight is around 50%. For small value, it's a little bit lower, but it's grown over time. So paying attention to how your benchmark is constructed, I think, is really important to win for our clients. You have to understand your competitors. So we pay a lot more attention to that. Now, we don't hug the benchmark. We're very focused on remaining active, but I think understanding those sector and industry weights and those factor implications of those weights are important for us to continue to drive consistent results for our clients. We want to win with our 10 principles of value investing. If you want to learn more about that, check out our website. I hope you all had a great Memorial Day and enjoy the start of summer. Take care.